Trinamool Congress versus the BJP after some time on this subject. Sambit Patra of the BJP. My first question is to Kakali Ghosh Dastidar, Member of Parliament, Lok Sabha of the Trinamool Congress. Ms. Dastidar, what happened? We saw you running out. I'll play those pictures once again of you running out along with a few other Trinamool Congress MPs very, very excitedly from gate number 1 of Parliament. Some people thought there had been some bigger kind of an attack inside Parliament. Just, we saw you all scurrying down. Some people were even jumping over the barricades. What exactly was going on that prompted you to respond like that?
I think this is a major attack. You are quite correct, Arnab. I think it was definitely a major attack on democracy today. It is absolutely shameful and unthinkable that elected members of the Parliament inside the House could be attacked like this. And had we not left the place in such a hurry, then maybe I don't know what would have happened.
What do you mean attacked? Attacked with what? Attacked by whom?
Attacked, you see, honourable members of Parliament from the ruling party. They came and attacked us, the opposition, the Trinamool Congress MPs who were peacefully protesting against the deprivation of Bengal, deprivation of the people of Bengal.
No, what do you mean attack?
Budget.
Please describe attack, because we only saw pictures of all of you coming out.
An attack.
Tell me what exactly happened.
I'm telling you, you're not letting me. You see, we were very peacefully raising slogans inside the Lok Sabha against the anti-people rail budget and deprivation of Bengal, when suddenly we found few honourable members of the ruling party, that is BJP, about 7 to 10 of them, they came rushing towards us. They badmouthed our Chief Minister, Leader Mamata Banerjee, and we just had to turn back to find out the source of the noise. When they said they were going to derobe and beat us up, the women were standing on one side, and this is the side that a few honourable members from BJP rushed towards us, and when a young male member of our side came forward to protest, he was pushed out.
Who is that?
So we didn't have any other option than to run out of the house. And today I'm thinking whether it will be safe for me to go back to the Lok Sabha tomorrow. This is a very, very dangerous situation.
And you are saying,
and I don't know.
You are saying all this did happen. There's not 1% here or there which you've added to the incident. All of this happened, but you haven't taken any names.
For the footage?
Sambit Patra.
Why don't you ask for the footage?
No, Sambit Patra, the accusation is your members of Parliament, were A, drunk, B, after being drunk, they hurled abuses, they broke into a scuffle, they threatened to thrash them, the abused women MPs, and threatened to even disrobe them, lift their clothes and beat them. I mean, is this what it has now come down to? And can you just dismiss this as an incident which never happened? You have 282 members. You have 282 members in that house, right? The Parliamentary Affairs Minister is part of the BJP. He is in charge of floor management.
Let me complete.
Far from maintaining decorum, if your MPs are behaving like gundas, then it is your responsibility not to be defensive about them. All day, all we have seen is the BJP defensive and never admit once that this incident could have happened.
Can I answer the question that you have put in front of me?
So you understand that don't try to dismiss it alone. Don't dismiss it.
Not at all. On your channel, I was watching a few minutes ago the bite that was given by Ms. Dastidar.
Yeah.
And the bite categorically says, Ms. Dastidar in the bite says that there was no scuffle, no one attacked us. And ironically, 2 minutes after that, now you say that someone has attacked Ms. Dastidar, someone had attacked the TMC. I believe the bite has been played by times now, umpteen number of times, for the people of this country to realize that there were no scuffle over there in the Parliament. Secondly,
there are enough Trinamool Congress members of Parliament who also talk about that, and I think you are going by semantics. I think you are going by semantics. You are going by words and not what happened.
Look at the history of Trinamool Congress. Look
Am I
at the
talking about the history of
Bharatiya Janata
Trinamool
Party.
Congress?
Though there is no history of Bharatiya Janata
No,
Party.
am I talking about the
we should be
history of the
ashamed
Trinamool Congress?
Ironically, Trinamool Congress had umpteen number of such history. In the recent past, we had seen how Tapas Pal, one of their member of parliaments, has behaved. He has called of raping people. He has called of bumping bullets into the heads of opposition leader. He has
This
called
is
of butchering
absolutely
people.
uncalled
That
for.
is a custom.
They are
in, I
trying
believe,
to cover
Trinamool
up
Congress.
today's incident.
Sambit Patra, I would request you to confine yourself to today's incident. And if you have no answer to today's incident,
Yes, that's
1
what I'm
minute, then
doing.
all you need
No,
to
I have
do, you can
answer,
say
I have
sorry.
answer.
You can say
No,
sorry to
I
Ms.
have
Dastidar.
No, why should I say sorry?
And we move
They
on.
should say sorry for this attention-seeking behavior. What I want to ask Ms. Dastidar today is, a few minutes ago, Ms. Dastidar on all the channels, particularly Times Now, she was saying there was no scuffle, there was no attack on us. What made her change the mind within 2 minutes that she now says on the Times Now channel that there was attack on her, there was a scuffle? I believe this is a classic case of attention-seeking behavior. And ironically, Arnab, remember one thing. People and organizations are judged by their previous behavior, by the history. And the history of Trinamool Congress speaks a lot. We had a member of parliament. Why one? Almost all the member of parliaments of Trinamool Congress have spoken of butchering people, raping people, killing people. And I believe,
Sambit, listen to
I believe BJP never has a history which would shame us. So I believe, Ms. Dastidar, please stick to the point that you had nothing to disrupt the rail budget on, and that is why you felt that this kind of attention-seeking
It is my
behavior is essential
prerogative.
on your part.
It is absolutely my democratic right to be inside the house and oppose what I don't like, what I think anti-people, what I think anti-Bengal.
Exactly,
It is absolutely
Ms.
my right.
Dastidar.
And
No
we were
one is
only
challenging
raising
that.
slogans.
No, it is your right.
We were
So
only
is the right
raising
of the other
slogans.
political
We
members
were
also
only
to
raising
raise slogans. But
And
your
I am
right
sorry,
is not to
the
speak
honourable
false.
members
No one has
of
given you a right
BJP
to lie
had
on the television
really
channels.
put us
You are
into
lying
shame.
outrightly, ma'am.
Sambit
Ma'am,
Patra,
you are outrightly
Sambit
lying.
Patra, I want to ask you.
Someone attacked
Sambit
you.
Patra, I want to ask you.
Yes, ask.
I want to ask you, which part of the house were you in when this incident happened? Because Kakoli Ghosh Dastidar has alleged that the incident happened near the Treasury bench. Since you are appearing so sure that your members of parliament did not try to beat up, physically intimidate, threaten and force out of the house the Trinamool Congress members, I must ask you, were you in that area? Were you in that area in proximity?
answer
No,
this?
1 minute. In
Can I
proximity
answer
enough.
this?
Hear me out.
Can I answer
Hear me
this?
out. In
Yes.
proximity enough
Yes,
to be
yes,
confident. To be confident of calling Kakoli Ghosh Dastidar a liar. Since you are calling Kakoli Ghosh Dastidar a liar, I am asking you tonight.
I am calling
I am
TMC
asking
a
you
liar.
tonight to prove.
I am calling TMC
On what
a liar
basis?
over here. I am calling TMC a liar. And secondly and most importantly, if I
How
was
can you
not
do that?
present,
It
so
means
was
the
Arnab
same
not
thing.
present in
1 second, Kakoli Ghosh
Secondly, and
Dastidar.
most important,
Kakoli Ghosh
remember-
Dastidar.
No,
This is
I
getting
am
worse.
answering
The
my
BJP
question.
calls you a liar on your face. The
No.
BJP says your party is a party of liars. They said this is a staged encounter. You have done it because Mamta Banerjee, because you had no issue on the railway budget. Let her speak for herself.
Investigation has been ordered. Shouldn't you wait for an investigation?
Well, if there is
Shouldn't you
no
wait for
incident, why is there an
investigation before
inquiry?
saying that you were attacked? There wasn't, there has not, the
You see,
inquiry
this
has been
gentleman
ordered.
here-
And I believe the Trinamool Congress should have
Mr.
doesn't have
Patra,
the
let Kakoli
questions
Ghosh
here.
Dastidar
for the
respond to you.
inquiry report before saying that
Sambit,
you were
hold yourself
attacked.
back.
Because she herself a while ago was saying that she was not attacked. How can a single person have two views? She was on your channel saying that she was not attacked. Review your channel's bite and show it to the people. She's herself
Ms.
saying she's not
Dastidar,
attacked.
have you made
How can
this
she have
up?
two views?
Ms. Dastidar, have you made all this up? Because Mamta Banerjee has told you to make all
You
this
see,
up.
it just goes to
And I
prove.
think you need to.
I am
Yeah.
so sorry.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Not for myself, not for my party. I'm sorry for the nation. I'm sorry for the people of this country. Because one honorable minister
Please,
of
ma'am,
the
feel
ruling
sorry for
front
Bengal.
today, he
Please
stood up in the
feel sorry
house
for Bengal.
and he
Bengal
said we
is
have come
burning
with a
because of the
mandate.
Trinamool Congress.
The people
Sambit,
have
hold
come with
yourself
a
back.
mandate to
You have
attack
tapan
other
ka-
members. He's shouting. When he talks, I'm listening. When I talk, he shouts. So the country can see who they have elected here. If after 1 month of being elected, they can accost us like this, then what is going to happen down the line? The nation can think twice. And if he has the guts to say this, I asked him to recall the Lok Sabha TV footage between 3 p.m. and 4 p.m. today.
That is it. The TMC should not lie on national television. Please, this is a humble request. Because, ma'am, you yourself made a statement a
I
while
don't know how you
ago that
become
you
so
or
humble
any
now.
one of the lady
Inside
members
the
was
house,
not attacked.
your members were not so humble.
BJP is
Inside
always
the
humble.
house, they
BJP
came,
was always
he
humble.
also
Ironically,
said
ma'am,
Honorable
TMC
member,
should not
Patra.
try
the honourable
teaching
member
Sambit Patra.
was all out to
Let's
beat
see
us
what
up.
TMC is all
The
about.
honourable
We have
member
seen
was all
Tapas
out
Khan a
to
few
beat
days
us
ago.
Sambit,
up.
hold it.
Let's see
Sambit,
Patra
hold it.
MPs.
Sambit
Please,
Patra, hold it for a
TMC should
moment.
not
Now I will ask. Now, Miss Dastidar, you realize this. And let's run with those pictures full frame. I just want to say something to our viewers. When an incident like this happens, it is not something which we can just, imagine really never happened. If this incident happened that led to members of a political party having to physically flee parliament in the way that they were doing, and if this was because they were being thrashed inside parliament by BJP leaders, like they claim, which is why they carried out such gymnastics, then I must ask Ms. Dastidar. Ms. Dastidar, who is the drunk BJP MP you are talking about? Who is the drunk BJP MP you are talking about who threatened to beat you among other women you were protesting with?
Not one. There were 6-7 of them. I hardly know their names because they are all new. And I have been in the 15th Lok Sabha and I've been in politics for 37 years now.
No,
I am so sorry about the state of affairs.
No, there are 6 or 7 BJP MPs. 1 minute, just a minute. Now, Sambit, I'm asking her a couple of questions. Let me please. The serious incident, let's deal with it with the seriousness which it deserves. My second question is, you are saying there were 6 or 7 BJP MPs who were trying to attack you. On what basis do you say, on what basis have you said that they were drunk? Because this is an even more serious charge.
No, I didn't.